Hello everyone. So here in this video, let's draw an ice cream types of emojis. So an ice cream is being drawn and then an ice with the different emojis is being drawn. So let's shade them with the red and yellow with the green. So next I'm drawing a cherry in the top of the ice cream and then a cone is being drawn. So slowly cherry is placed top of the cream and then shade them with the red color and the blue color ice cream. And let's move on. And again I'm drawing another part. A top layer is being drawn. So here I'm adding a cheese. So a burger is being drawn. So a cheese is being drawn. And then a leaf and then a bun is being drawn. Put some shades with brown color and then a green and the red color. Let's draw the cake, 3 layers of the cake and with the cream. So a cream of 3 layers is being drawn and then a plate is being drawn. Put some different kinds of cherries and then a candle is being drawn. So cream shapes is being drawn. A different kinds of birthday sticks is being placed over the cake. So shade them with pink color. So a triangle with a candy is being drawn with the red and the green color. So I'm drawing a circle. A leaf is being drawn. Again a different kinds of leaves and the shells and then many circles inside is being drawn. So let's draw the sticks and then line them with slowly. Put some shades with green color. And then here's the noodles that has been drawn. So again an ice cream candy with a triangle is being drawn slowly and then a drops that has been dropped over the floor and then shade them with a green color and then with a pink color that has been shaded. Slowly that's been shaded. Next I'm drawing a cherry and again an ice cream is being drawn. The cream, again one more cream, the droplets, again and one more cream is being drawn with the different emojis of eyes and the lips and then a cone is being drawn. Okay, and then a cone with an horizontal it's been drawn. Put some shades with the cherry with red color and then ice cream with a brown color, the chocolate ice cream, and then with a pink color lining to the next part. And then with the blue color is being drawn and then with the orange color it's been shaded. So let's draw another ice candy with a half bitten. So it's been watering down and then a candy stick is being drawn and a kind of emoji is being drawn. So shade them with brown color and cheeks. Thank you.